Good evening, everybody. This is the Tricktrades video chat for June 8th. I got quite a few tickers on this. I'm going to have to whittle them down a bit, but there just seems to be lots of plays going on. Excuse me. So let's get into it here. First on the list, these aren't really in any type of particular order, but CVNA, I'll definitely be watching this. I do like the chart. So lots of volume in the name today too. So definitely a watch. AMRS recent reverse split, had a red day today. I may be watching for a some follow through on to the downside. After hours, it gapped down a little bit too. So I mean that's always good. So looking for some continued downside. HOME, this had a massive day. I am looking for a bit of a pullback on it. I don't expect it to continue to climb all that much. Either it's going to be a doji day or a red day. It had about 4 points of play here, so that's a pretty big day. NDRO, I'm looking for some continuation. If it can get over the 200 SMA as well as this area. Basically, I'm looking for it to break today's highs tomorrow. MEIP, we got a green day, so we'll see if we can get a little more out of this. Let's see if it bounces tomorrow. If it can break over the 9 EMA or $2 again, that would be a pretty strong indication that we're going to get a bounce, because it did dip below and now it just touched 2 and then pulled back today. So if we can get another run through 2, I do expect this to get a nice size bounce, probably up in this area. So about 15 cents a play on a $2 stock. So I mean that's not too bad. ACOR, I'm looking for it to break lows here, or sorry, this trend line here, this line in the sand. I am expecting some more downside to it. DRWI, this thing is gapping up again. It made a run after hours. That would have been really nice to catch, actually, but I definitely wasn't expecting a move like that. So definitely some shorts got squeezed out of the name. So I will be watching for a continuation on this. It's only a matter of time before we get a really crazy runner here, and DRWI and MOSY are both contenders. I played this at the end of the day on, I got long right in this area here and rode it up. As soon as I got back to the desk, right before it kind of died off here, I ended up selling. I don't like holding these overnight, so I will be watching MOSY for a red day though tomorrow. I think we're going to get a little bit of a spike in the morning to get short into. ZSAN, looking for some continuation here. It gapped up, consolidated. Now it's broke out of those levels. Not much in the way of resistance. I mean, there's a little bit here, but if we can get some volume, and I mean, volume's starting to come back. We had 2.8 million shares. I do expect a continuation. We should have a green day on this tomorrow. Now, how much we can get out of it, that's hard to say, but I am expecting a continuation. EVH, this is on all-time highs right now, so I will be I'll be watching this for sure. CCCR, this has kind of been a constant grinder. I mean, it keeps popping up. It seems every second day it hits some scanners. So if it can get over 3 again, if it can make a run at 3 and have some volume and push through within the next couple of days, I do expect it to really run. It looks like it wants to run. I mean, this is a bullish chart, so we'll be watching it. CONN, kind of pissed off that I took this off my my radar from yesterday's play. We shorted this. And then it had a huge bounce day. I mean, yeah, what a shame. What a missed opportunity. You know, almost 2 points of play. Yeah, that's a missed opportunity. So I mean, that's a shame. It was off the watch. I mean, that's the thing though, guys. I mean, you can only watch so many tickers at once. I mean, that's kind of the problem, right? But so that's the watch list. I will add to it and take away some in the morning and get it focused down, and we'll do that live at 9 a.m. at in Tricktrades chat room with screen share. So we'll see everybody tomorrow. And for anyone that may be new watching this, come join us, and I'll post a link. We have a lot of really top-notch traders in the room. There's a few professionals. So I mean, it's a great community too. Very positive. So okay, guys, thanks a lot. See you in the AM.